Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Barbican and we're giving you a tour of this residential building. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's either 6 or 7 floors, but this is the tallest building you're going to find in Barbican, and it's very close to being completed. Very nicely done. We have videos up of the various stages of construction, so you can check it out. And this is our residential building, and it's right off Barbican Road. I'm going to zoom in. If anybody knows the name of this complex, you can let us know. Now this building is actually small compared to the massive buildings that are going up around Kingston. But this is a residential building. I'm not sure if there is a limit as to the height the building can be in Barbican, or maybe it has to do with the habitable rooms, I'm not sure. But you don't have a lot of these high-rise buildings in this area. So we're going to go back out on Barbican Road now. And as you can see, Barbican Road was recently renovated. Very nicely done. 4-lane dual carriageway. And in Jamaica, they have to use these concrete barricades to control the traffic. There is so much indiscipline on the roads. It's the only way to control the flow of traffic. Alright, so we're heading towards Barbican Square now. Turn left here, you go to Jacksel. A lot of the stoplights seem to be out today. Not sure what's going on. Now this area of Barbican has some more residential buildings, but none of them are as tall as 6 or 7 floors.